Got to hurry, got to hurry.
Hello. Hello, Thomas. Why are you in such a hurry, Thomas?
Hello, Tommy. There has been a big storm in Bodrum. Lots of lightning and rain. People are trapped and need help.
What? A flood? We need to call a rescue team.
Hello, Tommy. I'm Dizzy. The flood is in Bodrum, but I don't know where that is.
Let's see. Now, Bodrum is in a country called Turkey. Here's a globe. Let's find Turkey. Where is Turkey? Oh, look. Here's Turkey. Bodrum is in this country. So, to reach Bodrum, we should fly there.
I'll get the other members of Superwings together for our rescue flight to Bodrum.
Hello, my name is Grand Albert. I'll help you too, Dizzy. Let's go. Good luck, guys.
Oh, look down there, Albert. It's not just rain here. There are falling rocks. The little car and mate of the truck are trapped down there. Help! We must rescue them. Help! Okay, we're coming to help you. We will use this winch to pull you both to safety. It's coming now.
Help me. I'm trapped under rocks.
Oh, it's very difficult, Albert. Mate of the truck is so heavy.
Okay, I'm coming to help. Lift Mater up too.
I'll put Mater down here.
And here's the little car too.
I'm safe again. Superwings are super. My hero.
Thank you so much.
Friends always help other friends.
So, we should all help our friends when they're in trouble.
That's great. Superwings rescued everyone. Subscribe to Ploop channel and help your friends. Bye for now.